We have smart glasses here, and they're not going to be the regular Ray-Bans, and we're going to be doing an unboxing. I'm kind of scared, I'm not gonna lie. Now, let me explain why. I'm more of a Ray-Bans guy, and most importantly, when it comes to smart glasses, the smart glasses with the cameras are interesting because the way I think about it is what cameras are going to actually beat the regular Ray-Bans, and most importantly, are they going to be stylish enough for people to want to wear these around? Well, we're going to unbox this and we're going to actually see. These cost around $38 wholesale, and that is if you get 12. This has really good resale value as far as selling it in person. Online, we are going to see, but first we got to see if these are even worth using. Now, the glasses themselves, I like the box. Real-time translation, photo capture, video recording, and audio recording. Looking at the box is one thing, but we need to actually see what these glasses look like. One camera right here on the right side. One thing I do like about these, I like how they look. These look way more stylish than my Ray-Bans I actually have, and I'm sad to say because I spent around $400 for them. They're not as thick as I would have anticipated. When I look at the glasses, it does not seem to actually come with a charging case. Instead, you have to hook up a magnetic cable right here, and the magnetic cable will charge. It's not too thick, but I would say I would like it to be thinner, but this isn't something that would get in the way of me actually wearing them. So let's be real. Now what we're gonna have to do is test these out. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous, but I also can't wait. All right, we're in the office and I have the glasses. Now, we also, if you don't remember or have not looked at my other channels, we do have the other smart glasses that don't have a camera. These are just going to have the AI assistant, but this one is going to be the one that has the camera. Boxes look very similar, very interesting. I'll be comparing these probably later in another video. Those pairs did not really impress me, and I hope this does. It was $40 wholesale, which I don't necessarily think it's a bad price, but it is pretty high because then you got to think about how much you have to sell it. The ones that were not including the camera, these cost me $20, $25. It's just a bump up, but let's actually open this up. Opening it up, it does feel similar to the weight of the ones that don't have the camera, but here is what it looks like in the box. Let's get a little close up. Come over, like, come on, come and look. Here is a microfiber cloth that you would use to wipe them. Same old charger. And this is the charge I was talking about in the warehouse, where instead of like a charging case, like the traditional smart glasses, you have a cable that connects. I don't like this, and we'll get into that in a second. And then you have a bag to hold the glasses in. We have the manual, which we're definitely gonna need for these ones. I'm curious on how we actually set this up. So it does look like it's an app, okay? And it has a QR code for you to download the app. This is a different type of style. I'm going to compare the Meta Ray-Bans in another video, but I want to show you guys the difference. I'm gonna have these prongs right here and you snap it on. So now it's snapped on. I guess that's how you charge it, right? It's an interesting approach. Let's see how we turn this on. What you guys think? I think they look kind of nice. Now I hear the glasses making chimes in my ear. So the speakers seem to be, oh, it's touch control as well. The speakers are, I guess, right here. I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but it's these dots right here. It's a dot right here, and it's a dot right there. Seems to be touch control somewhere. Right here is two buttons. So it's two buttons right here. Okay? And when I touch them, they beep. I see a blue light right here. So I think that's just, it's trying to connect to Bluetooth. Let me go and look up how we set this app up, and I'll be right back. This pamphlet is thick as hell, and every page is a different language. Every page. I'm thinking that this has detail. I'm still trying to find English. Oh, all right, we found it. It was on the first page. Okay, so it's gonna pull up hide Cheyenne. Wait, huh? What? All right, Apple Store. Oh, hey, Cayenne is the app. Okay, let's go ahead and download this. So it looks like on the app, pictures, AI assistant, settings center, 3 stars. Better than the Metas. These glasses are the best. And yes, I stated these are better than Metas. They can do everything those 400 pair can plus more. I brought mine on TikTok and just purchased another one today. They're amazing and the quality is outstanding. But if there's one thing I would need in the app, it's an option where you can turn off the LED light so no one can see. This is a fake ass review. It gotta be. That sounds fake. Let's open this app. Okay. I like the logo. All right, we're gonna go ahead and create an account. All right, now I'm trying to connect the device. We're gonna see. I'm searching for it, so it says MOS2S whatever. So now we're connecting to it, and now I hear a little chime. Wear the glasses properly, follow the guide to learn, Okay, so single click right front button. When taking photos, the white indicator light on the front of the glasses will flash. Double click right front button when recording a video. Single click right front button during recording to stop it. Long press the right rear button when recording audio. Okay. Oh, it recognizes images. AI quick image recognition. Play music as a touchpad. Oh, snap. Yeah, it's a touchpad. Okay. This is interesting, you guys. This has more features than I thought. So you could take photos, record videos, record audio. Okay. Voice assistant. Hi, Cheyenne, or what? How are you?
I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. How are you doing today?
I'm doing good. This is my first time actually experiencing you. What are some things you can do? Cheyenne? Hey, Cheyenne. Cheyenne? You there? Hey, Cheyenne. What are some things you can do?
I can help with a variety of tasks, such as answer questions and explain concepts, general knowledge, math, reasoning, writing help, weather checks, current weather for allocation or today, finding real-time info for time-sensitive topics, news, current leaders, stocks, sports scores, flight/train status, etc. Recommendations for nearby places, restaurants, attractions, services around you. Setting reminders/alarms. Help Ninja describe or identify objects via camera/vision tools. Starting recording, video vlog or voice recording. Getting the current time and day off to week. If you tell me what you need right now, I'll suggest the best next step.
Okay. So we see that this could do a lot. A lot of what I did not even realize. It's going to take a lot to unpack. I think we're going to leave it here at the unboxing. This sounds like it does more than the Meta Ray-Bans. Now, that's concerning because I spent $400 for these. These glasses literally cost me $40. What did we just get ourselves into? Wait, what? If I'm not going to get too ahead of myself, but these sound good. I'm going to actually go out and test them today. I'm going out shopping, so I'm going to go and actually utilize these and see how these work. And I'll be back. Comment below what you guys think. I know. It just seems like some generic BS, but to be honest, for the money and also for the look, these don't seem that bad. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hype this video if you can, and also subscribe. My name is Brandon. I share with you reselling tips and tricks. And of course, make sure you guys are making money work for you, not working for the money.